Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter C, uppercase C and lowercase c. Uppercase C and lowercase c. Okay, C is for cat. C is for cat. C is for car. C-A-R, car. C is for cake. C-A-K-E, cake. C is for cow. C-O-W, cow. It's time to writing time, okay? Go to the top and draw a big curved line. Okay, kids? This is capital letter C. Draw a small curved line. This is a small letter C. Okay? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.